In this video, I'll guide you through how to install Google Drive on Windows step by step. By the end, you'll have Google Drive for Desktop up and running so you can easily sync files between your computer and your Google account. First, let's start by opening your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar at the top, type in the official Google Drive for Desktop page. It's important that you go to the official Google site and not a third-party download page to avoid unwanted software or security risks. Once the page loads, you should see an option related to downloading Google Drive for Desktop. On that page, look for the button that says Download Drive for Desktop. You go ahead and click that. Your browser may ask you to confirm the download or choose a location to save the file. If it does, just confirm and save it in your usual downloads folder. The file is usually named something like Google Drive Setup.exe. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder or use your browser's download bar or menu to find the file. When you see the Google Drive setup file, double-click it to launch the installer. If Windows asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a normal security prompt that appears whenever you install software. With the installer window open, you'll see an option to start the installation. Click the Install button. At this point, the setup program will begin installing Google Drive for Desktop on your computer. You don't need to do anything else for a moment, just wait while it copies the necessary files and configures the application. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your system. While you're waiting, it's helpful to know what you're installing. Google Drive for Desktop creates a special folder or drive on your computer that connects directly to your Google Drive in the cloud. This allows you to open, edit, and save files from your computer while keeping them backed up and synced online. It's especially useful if you work across multiple devices or need quick offline access to important documents. Once the installation finishes, the setup window will update and you'll be prompted to sign in. You should see an option that says Sign in with browser. Click that option. Google uses your browser to handle the sign-in securely, which means you'll be redirected to a Google login page in a web browser window. In your browser, choose the Google account you want to use for Drive, or sign in with your email and password if you're not already logged in. After you sign in, you may be asked to confirm that you want to allow Google Drive for Desktop to access your account. Approve this, and the browser will confirm that the sign-in was successful. You can then close that browser tab or window if it doesn't close automatically. Back on your computer, Google Drive for Desktop will connect to the account you just signed into. You should now see the Google Drive icon in your system tray near the clock and a new drive location in File Explorer. From here, you're ready to start organizing files, syncing folders, and taking advantage of Google Drive directly from your Windows desktop.